Here's the app called AI BRUSHMIND Photo Magic AI photo editor, just a touch. So let's just take a look. So there are a lot of this new AI portrait generator apps. Effortless AI photo editing, transform your images instantly. Tired of complicated photo editing? AI BRUSHMIND makes its professional quality photo enhancement fast, easy, and fun. Why choose AI BRUSHMIND? Revolutionary AI powered tools, AI portrait generator, smart object removal, one tap background replacement, auto enhance and retouch. And let's just open it up. This app doesn't have that many ratings yet. And seems, yeah, that there are a lot of ads in here. So I actually don't even know whether this app is legit. And yeah, you can just see it in here. What is that? And then just basically, I don't know, maybe I would just try another app, to be honest. So yeah.